First of all, big welcome to the BMC Helix Roadshow here in London.
Helix, the platform, is growing at 30% year over year.
So I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about 3 ways we're going to help you reset the economics of enterprise IT.
Welcome everybody. I think what's going to be the most fun and exciting session of the day.
I'm delighted to announce the winner of the next Helix Innovation Award. I'll pay this. James Dicker and his team from Johnson Matthey. Vodafone Voice.
I think it was really interactive and good for networking.
Just seeing how far and the pace of innovation with the agents is outstanding.
Everything around AI that could have been addressed was addressed.
Really exciting to see what's coming through in the pipeline with the product and how that's going to evolve.
A lot of things going within BMC Helix, especially GPT and agentic AI, which is the future.
It's incredible to see so many people. Hearing from our customers, there's nothing quite like it.